Here are the steps for assigning someone to manage your YouTube account. First off, log into your YouTube account using your credentials. And from the YouTube homepage, click your profile picture at the upper right hand corner. And from the drop down menu, choose YouTube Studio and then click Settings at the bottom left hand corner. Then select Permissions and then click Invite and then enter the email address of the person that you would like to assign to manage your YouTube account. And then select Access to choose the role of the person that you would like to manage your account. Common roles include manager and editor. Managers have full access on the account, while editors can edit content but not able to access settings. And then click Done, and then select Save. And after this, YouTube will require you to verify your account by verifying it to your device, for example. And then after this, the invited user will receive an email with the invitation. They need to accept it to gain access. Once the invitation is accepted, review and adjust the permissions as needed. And that's it. You've successfully assigned someone to manage your YouTube account. Ensure that you communicate with the assigned person or team to establish clear expectation and guidelines for managing your channel effectively.